Raising a new puppy or kitten can be very difficult. It can be pleasurable, it can be happy, but it does come with some responsibility. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips from a perspective of a veterinarian of what you can do if you have a new puppy or kitten. Hello everyone, and welcome to Zoomies. So, let's discuss the 5 things that I, as a veterinarian, feel that a lot of pet owners don't really know or don't think about when they get a new puppy or kitten. Of course, this means the obvious things like vaccinations, neutering if you want, deworming, all those common nutritional things that people already know about and most people kind of already get right. These are 5 things that I have realized not a lot of clients actually pay attention to, and not a lot of clients really even think about, even first-time pet owners. So let's get the list going with number 1. Get your pets used to brushing their teeth from a young age. Nothing prevents tartar or plaque buildup like brushing. Brushing removes any excess debris, prevents plaque buildup, prevents bacterial buildup, and keeps the enamel of the animal healthy and white, sparkling, and helps for longevity of the teeth. So many pets come at a later stage in their life where they struggle with teeth issues, dental issues, bad smelling breath, and teeth need to be extracted. And that's when clients kind of ask me, what should I do? What's the best thing you can do? And my answer has to be brushing their teeth. But at that stage in their life, no pet is going to, very few pets are going to be willing for you to brush their teeth every single day. If you can do once or twice a week, that's also fine. But get them used to it from an early age. Number 2. Get your pets used to touching their paws, clipping their nails from a young age. Make positive associations with that. We have animals that come into the hospital that need to be sedated purely for a nail clip, just for stress and severe anxiety, sometimes even aggression, that the owners can't even do it. If you start from an early age, get your pet used to it. Like I said, positive association with it by giving treats and playtime, taking it slow, don't clip too deep, know what you're doing, ask for advice. You can mitigate so much headache going forward. Number 3 is leash training. This is not just for dogs, but also for cats. It's so common these days in the modern era to see cats on leashes, but get the appropriate leash. Good H-body harnesses with good appropriate leash training for the animal. Initially, cats are going to fight it, they're going to worm out of it, puppies are going to kick their feet into the ground, bite the leash. The starting part is the most difficult part. Get them used to it from a young age. Let them know what the appropriate behavior around leash time is. It's going to save you so much hassle going forward. Number 4, a really important one. Puppies and kittens at a young age, somewhere between 3 to 6 months average, go through what's called the socialization period. During this time, they normally get their vaccines and nutrition needs to be on point, etc., etc. But what a lot of people don't think about is that they actually need to be socialized during that time, interact with other animals, adults, kids, noises, being taken into a car just to drive around the block, take them to the veterinary clinic so they get used to other people touching them. This is so important for a young puppy or a young kitten. They need to interact with various people, types of noise levels, different environments, and not just get comfortable with a single kind of environment or a single person's way of handling things. Socialize the puppy, socialize the kitten, let them get used to different stimuli. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a vet's dream when they're coming to the vet practice and they're used to kind of, dogs barking and other animals being around other people with higher and lower voices, and with this random person touching them and prodding them instead of going into anxiety or aggression. And finally, tip number 5. This is purely from a veterinary perspective, but I believe that especially dogs, large breeds, dogs that are prone to aggression, need to have some sort of obedience training or recall. Get them used to it from puppy age. Get them used to your voice. Know that demanding tone. Know how to react. Know appropriate, stopping signs or warning signs. And get them used to the authoritarian position that you have over them. I see so many dogs and cats come into the clinic and have no sense of obedience or willingness to cooperate, and owners simply just don't know what to do. And at a later stage in life, it just becomes so difficult to teach an old dog new tricks. Get young dogs, young kittens used to your authority. Make sure that with dogs, they know how to recall, and so they know what the appropriate social interaction must be. And that's it for today. This is day 1 of 30 of where I give free veterinary advice every single day for 30 days. Simple, concise, easy to understand. Use it, don't use it. There are so many things you can do right and a lot of things you can do wrong. Take the information, make informed decisions, and what you think is best for you, your pet, and your environment. And until next time, cheers.